Welcome to the Tip of the Week. Today, we'll show you how to create multiple home pages and easily swap them throughout the semester. An effective home page is welcoming, includes important information for the course, and lets students know how to get started and where to go next. Because the information students need on the first day of the course is different from what they'll need later on, it can be helpful to change your home page throughout the semester. In this example, we've created a Unit 1 page. To designate this page as the new home page, click on Pages, then View All Pages. Make sure the page is published, then click the three dots and select Use as Front Page. The page displaying on your course home will be indicated by a gray Front Page tag. We can easily create multiple pages with the same formatting by clicking the three dots and selecting Duplicate. Click on the duplicated page and click Edit. Then rename the page and change the details to apply to the new unit. Thanks for watching. For more tips, visit canyons.edu/online faculty.